Hello, I would like to tell you about the waves command. This command allows us to create sinusoidal shapes. To understand it better, let's click on the Curve tab, then click on the Waves command, then select a curve. In this case, we will select a circle. And, as you can see, it creates this nice shape, and we can modify two parameters. One is the height, for example, 2 millimeters, and also the number of waves, we can select 8. Let's look at another example. In this case, we have a classic ring and we are going to apply waves to the center curve. Click on Waves, select a curve, click on the center, and we can see these nice waves. Of course, remember that we can modify the height. Set 2.5 millimeters in this case. It's nice, isn't it? We can apply, for example, the command gems by curve. We can select the wave curve, type a number of gems, 50, and we can select this surface to align. We will align the gems on the girdle. It's nice, isn't it?